Are you a trader in an emerging market searching for a broker that offers ultra-low spreads, lightning-fast execution, and even unlimited leverage? In 2025, Exness is making waves, but is it the right choice for you? Let's break it all down. Welcome to CompareForexBrokers. I'm Noam, and today we're exploring Exness, a broker that's gaining serious traction in emerging markets. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know about Exness in 2025. We'll dive into account types, trading platforms, spreads, leverage, regulation, and much more. If you're considering Exness, this review will help you decide. Okay, let's start with availability. Exness mainly serves traders in emerging markets. If you're based in Southeast Asia, Africa, or parts of Latin America, you'll likely have access. However, Exness is not available to traders in several developed countries, including the United States and much of Europe. Always double check if your region is supported before proceeding. Exness offers 4 main account types, each tailored to different trader profiles. A standard account, which is great for beginners. It offers no commission, spreads that start at around 1 pip, and the minimum deposit is just $10. The raw spread account, where spreads start from 0.0 pips with a commission of $3.50 per side, ideal for scalpers and high volume traders. Their zero account, which offers 0 pip spreads on key pairs 95% of the time, same $3.50 commission, good for precise entries. Their pro account, which is no commission, spreads that start from 0.1 pips, but the minimum deposit is a bit higher, suited for more experienced traders. The range of options makes Exness flexible, whether you're a beginner or a pro trader. Exness supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. These are the most popular platforms in Forex trading, offering robust charting, automation, and execution features. There's also the Exness Trader app, a proprietary mobile platform designed for seamless on-the-go trading. And if you're interested in social trading, Exness offers a copy trading feature too. You can follow and mirror experienced trader strategies, which is perfect for beginners looking to learn through action. Exness stands out for its low-cost trading conditions. Standard account spreads average around 1 pip for major currency pairs. Raw spread and zero accounts start at 0.0 pips with a commission of $3.50 per side. Compared to industry averages, these rates are highly competitive and favorable for cost-sensitive traders. Whether you're scalping or trading long-term, Exness gives you a cost-efficient environment. Now, let's talk about leverage. Exness offers unlimited leverage in certain jurisdictions. That means you can trade large positions with a small capital outlay. However, this also magnifies your risk. If you're new to trading, be cautious. To help manage risk, Exness includes features like margin calls, stop outs, and optional stop loss orders. Just because you can use high leverage doesn't mean you should. Exness is regulated by multiple authorities. These include the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, or CySEC, the Financial Services Authority in the Seychelles, and others depending on your region. That said, the level of protection and oversight will vary depending on where your account is registered. Client fund protection, negative balance protection, and segregation of accounts are generally in place, but it's important to read the fine print based on your jurisdiction. Exness offers one of the fastest deposit and withdrawal systems in the industry. You can fund your account via bank cards, e-wallets like Skrill and Nutella, and even cryptocurrencies. In many cases, withdrawals are processed instantly, which is a huge plus for active traders. Support is available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week in multiple languages. There's live chat, email, and phone options, so you can always get help when required. So let's quickly recap the key pros and cons of using Exness. Let's look at the pros. First, they have ultra-low spreads and competitive commissions. They have flexible account types for all trader levels. They have access to unlimited leverage in some regions. They have fast, often instant withdrawals and deposits. They support both MT4 and MT5 trading platforms. And finally, they offer copy trading options for beginners. Now let's have a look at some of the cons. They're not available in many developed countries. Their regulatory protections vary by region. High leverage can lead to high risk if misused. Ultimately, Exness is a strong choice for traders in supported countries who want cost-effective, high-performance trading. Exness is a strong choice for traders in supported countries who want cost-effective, high-performance trading. Thanks for watching our 2025 Exness review. If you want to learn more, head over to CompareForexBrokers.com using the link in the description down below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss a broker breakdown or trading tip. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next one.